Hello, my name is Robin and this is my closet. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. It means so much to me, your loyalty to my channel. I am actually filming this out in California. We had to come out for a sick family member, so I have a different background. There is actually a pool back there that I can hear, and it just sounds so peaceful. So you'll have to excuse my kind of lack of makeup, and we've just been running around. But I brought a few boxes with me as I knew I was going to have some downtime, and let's get to it. Today I am unboxing Unbox Happiness, and it's my Therabox unboxing. I was getting this and then I canceled it because I was getting so many products that were all like the same, but I decided to start it up again. So it is a monthly subscription. I will leave the link and a discount code below, so if you'd like to give it a try. It comes very nicely packaged, and when you open it, it just smells so good. So there is the brochure with everything that is in here. Oh my God, it just smells fantastic. And let's get into it. The first thing, get your glimmer on. Petty in a box. Unicorn soap, cooling gel, sugar scrub, massage butter, and unicorn mud. How about that? I know a lot of us do the masking and we have Mask Mondays and whatever. I think next time we do that, I'm gonna do one for my feet. I promise I won't show you my feet. And let's see what that retails for, because I've never seen anything like that. Oh, it retails for $7.99, which really, for all the products that you get in here, is not bad. So I'm kind of liking that one. The next thing is Modern Skin Alchemy. Why can't I not pronounce words? Shimmering Rose Moisturizing Mist, handcrafted in small batches. It comes in a really nice size bottle, and I'm gonna spray it. Okay, that smells delicious. Oh my gosh. And let's see if I can find it. It is retails for $25. Oh, I guess it's a facial mist. It retails for $25, although I did put it on my arm. It didn't actually say it was a facial mist, did it? I don't know. I put it on my arm. But it smells really, really nice. So the next thing in the box is the Jade facial roller, and I just received one in one of my other boxes. So I will probably be putting this on my Mercari website or Poshmark, but it's a really nice size. And let's see what that I can talk retails for. I don't see it. That doesn't mean anything. Oh, here it is, $14.99. Okay. The next thing is Wanda Infused Dark Hot Chocolate. Oh my God. It's vegan, fair trade, small batch, all plant-based. Elements, truffles. Do you think this is a good idea to have when I do my foot mask? Of course, I don't think it's really good for my diet. It's 90 total fat 3.5 grams. I don't know, I might be able to have it with my diet and treat myself. And let's see how much that retails for. Oh, there we go, $12. So far it's really a great box. And oh my God, this is incense, lavender incense sticks. There's 10 sticks in here. Oh my God. Okay, so you do the foot soak, drink the hot chocolate, burn the incense. I'm getting the theme here. And it's got the holder. Natural wooden incense tray. Okay, so burning this. And let's see how much that retails for. Blah, blah, blah. $8.50 for the holder and $8.99 for the incense. Okay. Oh, and there's a book. A book I can't get out because it's a big book. I'm lovable. An inner truth journal. A journal to proclaim my total lovability. Oh, why I am so lovable today. I'm lovable every day. Don't they know that this book? So every day it's got why I'm so lovable and different sayings. So this is definitely a great lifestyle box. I'm very impressed with this month's box. And there's also a Manna Kadar Bloom Volumizing Mascara in jet black. I'm not a huge mascara wearer, as you can probably tell in my videos. I have no eyes. So I will be putting this either in a giveaway or on my Mercari website. But look at the packaging. That is pretty neat packaging. And there is what it looks like. So let's see how much the mascara and the journal were. Oh my God, this box, just to open it and have the smells in your house is great. So the mascara retails for $29, and I don't think it has the journal in here, how much that, but they have a different theme. So this month it is the I'm Lovable, and what's nice about this little book, oh, I'm sorry, it's $18 it retails for. They put down not only the prices about the product, but where you can order more of the product so that you don't have to hunt and peck. And I want to say this box is $39.99, but of course it's either $39.99 or $29.99. I will leave the link, a discount code for it, how much it is, but I definitely suggest this either for yourself or even as a gift for somebody that you never know what to get. So let me know what you thought of this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love comments, comments, comments. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.